Hey, what's up everybody? So now I'm here putting all chips in the soda machine and vending machine here. Now I'm doing the chocolates here. Since we had to bump up the prices since everything is so expensive nowadays. So that's what's going on here. That's what I'm doing right now, everybody. Putting the Snickers in right now. Got Snickers on this side. I'm gonna put 2 boxes here, candy. M&M's on this side. And just have a lot of candy here. People always looking for candy. Soda or something when they're waiting here at the shop. Let me put some yellow M&M's now. I love M&M's too. So that's what I got going on, everybody. Still working here at the shop. Getting all the stuff that we gotta get done around here. And then when I'm done here, then I gotta head to the farm and do the chores at the farm. So, thank you for watching our videos. We'll definitely keep making some more videos on just all the stuff that I do during the day, and which I do a lot of stuff, I'll tell you that. A lot of stuff I do here. You name it. Oh Lord. Look at the snow. It's snowing outside too. It's snowing outside. And they're talking about more snow on the weekend. Unbelievable. When it was just 70 degrees. Right? Juana, why are you laughing?